Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Friends, many of you might not have seen the flower of mother of thousands, that is the Bryophyllum, daigremontianum, or these alligator plants, or the devil's bones plant, or the Mexican head plant. And these are the sporadically they flower. These are the flowers that had occurred, and just like umbrella shaped and raceme flowers, and all the flower petals are in the front side. They are all the totally joined together, and these easily you can pop up. And these are the androecium gynoecium are inside, and you can see these spikes are arose from here, and just like umbrella raceme type of flowers here, and just like umbrella and spikes are arising from here. And this occurs around at the beginning of the winter month, and stays up to the winter month 2 to 3 months totally. And these are the flowers. I am taking you the close look here. You can see you just pop up the petals here, and just bell like flowers, all are like bell like flowers. And these are the now they have turned secondary means of reproduction. This you can see the androecium gynoeciums are inside, all are totally sympetals, and these are the close look all the androecium and gynoecium, and these are the flowers here. And I am giving you a look of 1 month back when these sprouts just started, and just have a look. We'll come back again when how they have totally cropped up. Thank you. So I am taking you to 1 month back, and all the new branches of sprouting of this, all the flowering, new spikes have emerged, and you can see greenish all the buds, and at the tip you can see slight pinkish color, tint of pink color at the tip of the all the flowers buds. And you can see this is the third one spike, and this is emerging around 1 feet tall. These are spikes, and new buds are coming up, and you can see. And I'm giving you a close look at the buds, new greenish buds, and some at the tip, some of the orange color tip. And these are the all the plant, and I am giving you updates. So this is the scene of 20 days back, and you can see these are all turned into pinkish orange color. And definitely all the flowering are maturing, flowers are maturing, and the tips are growing all the orange or reddish color tint. And the third one I am showing you, this one is a third spike. I am giving a close look. All the flowers are ready almost, but the tip are almost closed. The mouths of the flowers are totally closed, and they are turning reddish day by day. And these are the plants total, and I have a look of the total plant, gorgeous plants, and the plants are impact. These are the reddish colors of leaves, and some new shoots of greenish and bluish green color of new shoots are coming up. So these are the plants are now situation. So friends, this is the 10 days back scene, and almost all the spikes are ready, or around 15-inch tall spikes, and all the terminal ends flowers spikes, and all the buds are ready to bloom. And I tell you, they totally do not open up all the flower. And this is the close look of the plant, and all the old leaves are dying up, and dying off all the old leaves, and new shoots are coming up, greenish leaf shoots. And this is the third one, and this is all maturing, beautiful matures totally. So this is totally today 20th December 2018, and all the flowers are ready. And this is the all the old leaves are dying off, and new plantlets are growing up from here, and hundreds of plantlets are here to grow, cope up within small pots. And this is the third one. All are ready, beautiful color, reddish, orange reddish colors of all the bells of the flowers, beautiful. And amas to look at them, and they do not grow totally. They sporadically they origin in the mother of thousands. This is not the regular phenomena. If you look at it, and it is amazing. So just have a look and enjoy it. Thank you. So friends, you just had seen how this sprout has occurred, how this all is grown. And I tell you, this is basically grown from vegetatively from the leaf margins. The leaf margins form the bulbous spur, and where from these new plantlets grow, hundreds of plantlets grow. These are the plantlets grown from the margins of the leaves. This is basically the primary means of reproduction. You can pull up from here, or they can take root at the easily at the when they fall up to the ground. The plantlets take root at the ground and they grow new, totally new plants. And this is the basically the primary means of reproduction, vegetative reproduction. And from the flowering is just now turned the secondary types of reproduction, and they are totally obliterated, almost obliterated. And now vestigial organs are here, and they are comes in different colors in the daigremontianum. Just have a look, and different types of flowers. You will must to see the how the good looking are there. Just have a look and come back again. So friends, hope you enjoyed the different types of flowers in the this mother of thousands or the alligators plants, and these are definitely interesting, and hope you enjoyed the total video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and if you are want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. And if you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give a lot about the various facts about the different types of plants and the reproduction means and different types of propagation and all methods. So thank you very much for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you. Please BT